Gentlemen, as a urologist and someone deeply committed to men's health, I hear it so often, Dr. KAYLA. My vitality just isn't what it used to be. Or I wake up tired and honestly, morning erections. Those feel like a distant memory. It's a common unspoken struggle for many men over 60, impacting not just intimacy, but overall confidence and well-being. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking a renewed sense of natural vitality, experiencing deeper, more restorative sleep, and yes, even bringing back those morning erections isn't found in a pill or a complex routine? What if it lies right here in the palm of your hand? Today, I'm going to show you 3 incredibly simple yet powerful hand massage techniques that are clinically supported and completely drug-free. They can genuinely transform your mornings and your nights. If you're ready to learn these life-changing techniques, tell me in the comments below. What's the biggest change you'd love to see in your mornings right now? Let's unlock the secrets in your hands. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Dr. KAYLA, and in my practice, I've seen countless men over 60 grapple with a range of issues that quietly diminish their quality of life. We often think of solutions as complex or external, but today I want to challenge that notion. We're going to explore something truly remarkable: the profound connection between the simple act of hand massage and your overall well-being, specifically targeting vitality, sleep quality, and even the return of those natural morning erections. This isn't just an old wives' tale. This is backed by the real science of nerve stimulation, improved blood flow, and balancing your nervous system. For too long, we've overlooked the incredible power we hold literally in our own hands. I'm excited to introduce you to 3 specific clinically supported pressure points that, when stimulated correctly and consistently, can help improve circulation, relax your nervous system, regulate your sleep cycles, and even support your body's natural hormone production. This is about empowering you with a drug-free, accessible method to naturally regain what time may have seemed to take away. And trust me, understanding just a little bit of the why behind these techniques will make them so much more powerful when we get to the practical how-to in just a moment. So you might be wondering, how can massaging my hands possibly impact something as significant as morning erections or my sleep quality? It's a fantastic, very insightful question, and the answer is rooted in the incredible, intricate network beneath your skin. A network that's often completely overlooked. Our hands are absolutely packed with nerve endings directly connected to your brain and various organ systems through what we commonly refer to as reflex zones. When we apply the right kind of stimulation to these specific points, several powerful things begin to happen within your body, almost like flipping a series of internal switches. First, we see a significant boost in blood flow. Gentle pressure and targeted massage can dramatically improve microcirculation, not just right there in your hands, but throughout your entire body. And as you know, gentlemen, better blood flow is absolutely fundamental for robust vitality, optimal organ function, and yes, it's critically important for achieving and maintaining a strong erection. Next, we talk about balancing your nervous system. Our hands contain points that, when properly stimulated, can help shift your nervous system from that often overactive fight or flight sympathetic state which keeps us wired and stressed into a much more calming, rest and digest parasympathetic state. This deep relaxation is absolutely vital for reducing stress, significantly improving your sleep quality, and allowing your body to genuinely repair and restore itself from the day's demands. It's truly about tapping into your body's own innate intelligence, its incredible ability to heal and balance itself, restoring those natural rhythms that may have quietly faded over time. Now that you understand why this works at a fundamental level, let's not waste another moment. It's time to get hands-on and learn the 3 specific techniques that can unlock these amazing benefits for you. Don't go anywhere because the practical steps are coming up next. And this leads us directly to hormonal support. By promoting that profound relaxation and actively reducing chronic stress, we indirectly create a far more optimal natural environment for your body's hormone production. This includes crucial hormones like testosterone, which, as you know, is key for energy, libido, and healthy erectile function. Finally, and this ties into everything, it encourages deep relaxation, specifically for sleep. Activating these precise points before you even get into bed sends a clear, powerful signal to your body that it's time to truly wind down. This paves the way for deeper, more restorative sleep, which in turn supports all these vital bodily functions we've just discussed. All right, gentlemen, are you ready to learn these specific techniques? I'm about to show you 3 powerful pressure points on your hands that, when consistently massaged, can become your personal power tools for reclaiming natural vitality, deeper sleep, and yes, those welcome morning erections. And trust me, gentlemen, while all three are powerful, the third technique we'll uncover is arguably the most overlooked secret weapon for truly resetting your morning energy and bringing back that confident vitality. This is simple, it's effective, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. Let's get started. Let's break down these 3 key techniques. I'll guide you through finding each point, how to apply the right touch, and we'll explore why each one is so incredibly beneficial for your health. 1. Laong, Paricardium 8. Your heart center for circulation and calm. First up, we have a vital point known as Laong or Paricardium 8. I often refer to it as your heart center because it's fantastic for both circulation and deep relaxation. To locate it, simply make a loose fist. You'll notice your middle fingertip gently rests right in the center of your palm. That's your long point, typically found just below the knuckle of that middle finger. Now take the thumb of your opposite hand. Place it directly on this point. Apply a firm, steady pressure, and then begin to massage in small, gentle circular motions. Spend about 1 to 2 minutes on each hand. You might feel a subtle tenderness or even a soothing warmth there, which is perfectly normal. This point is a true powerhouse for calming your mind, easing anxiety, and significantly boosting your overall blood circulation. And remember, gentlemen, robust circulation means better oxygen delivery throughout your entire body. Vital for energy, for overall organ function, and absolutely critical for a healthy erectile response. It really helps quiet that mental chatter, guiding you towards a state of genuine tranquility. 2. Shafu, Heart 8, the little palace for emotional balance and restful sleep. Moving on, let's explore another potent spot called Shafu or Heart 8. This one is often described as your little palace, and it's particularly wonderful for balancing your emotions and truly preparing you for a restorative night's sleep. To find Shafu, make that loose fist again. This time, notice where your little fingertip, your pinky, touches your palm, right below its knuckle. That's where Shafu resides. Just like before, use your opposite thumb. Apply gentle yet firm pressure here. You can massage in small circles or even gentle up and down motions for another 1-2 minutes on each hand. Activating Shafu is incredibly effective for soothing your heart, releasing emotional stress, and harmonizing your nervous system. By gently stimulating this point, you help calm your entire being, making it so much easier to drift into a deep, uninterrupted sleep. And let me emphasize, gentlemen, quality sleep is non-negotiable for your body's natural hormone production and for overall physical recovery, directly impacting your daily vitality and, yes, your ability to achieve those much-desired morning erections. 3. Pineal reflex point, your master regulator for sleep and hormones. Gentlemen, if you've stayed with me this far, congratulations. You're about to discover the most overlooked piece of this puzzle, because this third technique, activating your pineal reflex point, is truly the reset switch for sleep, hormones, and natural testosterone that most men over 60 completely overlook. This right here is the key to bringing your mornings back to their former powerful glory, and it's something you absolutely need to know. Now, to locate this one, imagine a straight line extending down from your ring finger towards your wrist. Now about 2 finger widths down from the base of your ring. Finger within that soft, fleshy part of your palm. You'll find the general region of the pineal reflex. It's more of a subtle area rather than a sharp, distinct point. For this one, take your opposite thumb and apply a gentle sweeping motion in small circles or smooth strokes across this entire general area, covering about a 1-inch square. Continue this for 1 to 2 minutes on each hand. This specific reflex point is intimately associated with the pineal gland, which plays a pivotal role in producing melatonin, that crucial hormone dictating your sleep-wake cycles. Stimulating this area can profoundly help regulate your sleep patterns, encouraging deeper, more consistent, and truly restorative sleep. And this in turn beautifully supports your body's natural rhythm for testosterone production and overall energy restoration, perfectly setting the stage for improved morning vitality and those welcome natural erections. Gentlemen, I know these techniques seem incredibly simple, and frankly, that's their genius. But here's the absolute secret sauce to making them work: consistency. This isn't a magical one-time fix. It's a daily practice, a gentle ritual that gradually yet powerfully recalibrates your body. I strongly recommend incorporating these hand massages into your routine. Ideally, twice a day, once in the morning to gently kickstart your vitality and get that blood flowing, and then again, crucially, right before bed to calm your nervous system and prepare for truly deep, restorative sleep. Let me share a quick real-life example. I had a wonderful patient, John, who was 65. He came to me feeling utterly drained and quite, frankly, very skeptical about anything natural. He'd tried so many things with little success, but he committed to these simple hand massages for just 2 weeks. When he returned, he was beaming, saying, "Dr. KAYLA, I'm not waking up feeling like I've been hit by a truck anymore. And believe it or not, I'm actually seeing hints of those old mornings again. It's not an overnight miracle. No, but it's a gradual cumulative effect. Over time, with consistent practice, you can genuinely expect improved sleep, reduced stress levels, and a noticeable boost in your natural vitality and sexual well-being. Your body simply gets better at doing what it's inherently designed to do." Gentlemen, it's truly time to shift our perspective. Regaining vitality, experiencing deep, restful sleep, and yes, those natural morning erections isn't just about addressing isolated symptoms. It's about embracing a holistic, empowering approach to your health as you age. This isn't just about intimacy. It's profoundly about your energy levels, your self-confidence, and your overall quality of life. By integrating these simple yet powerful techniques into your daily routine, you're not just passively hoping for change. You are actively, consciously creating it. Remember, this information is a powerful starting point for your journey. If you have any underlying medical conditions or persistent health concerns, please always consult your physician or a qualified healthcare professional. Your health is paramount. Before you go, I'm truly curious. Which of these 3 hand massage techniques resonated with you the most? Or which one are you most excited to try first in your own routine, especially after hearing about the pineal reflex? Let me know in the comments below. Your experiences and insights are incredibly valuable to me and help our entire community learn and grow. If this video has opened your eyes to new possibilities and genuinely motivated you to make a positive change, please do give it a big thumbs up. Share it with other men in your life who could truly benefit from this vital message. And most importantly, subscribe to Dr. KAYLA, Health Tips for more expert, actionable advice on men's health and gracefully embracing the aging process. Your support truly helps me reach more men and make a real difference. Thank you so much for watching, gentlemen. Take great care of yourselves. Always prioritize your well-being, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video as we continue our journey toward lifelong vitality.